I'm here today with Scott Dawson, the CEO of GlobalOdds, which is a technology company operating in both the B2B and B2C gambling space. They're currently about to start raising capital to grow the business. Scott, what are the three key points you'd like potential investors to know about GlobalOdds?
Yeah, thanks, Michael. First and foremost, I'd like the investors to know that we're not a one-dimensional business. We're not just a gambling company. We are a technology business and we have multiple revenue sources. It's important for them to also note that we are now live with both our B2B Go Racing product and with also our B2C casino. So we are taking live bets on our platforms as we speak, and we're looking to expand that rapidly. And also to see that we're not following the norm when it comes to marketing our platform. We're looking at alternate avenues, alternate sources. We're looking at the incorporation of things like AI technology, data analytics for reaching out to our customers and for selecting new content.
Scott, that's well said. Could you maybe talk through your flagship product and how it fits in the overall strategy of GlobalOdds?
Yeah, there's no doubt that our B2C platform is our flagship project and definitely the one that will generate in the short term. The reason being for that is it has two different revenue streams. We obviously have our own B2C brands, two of which are now live, our flagship brands, GlobalOdds.com and 8storm.com. Those brands have been around in the marketplace for some time and they're now live in our own proprietary owned technology. And we're also adding two additional brands in the short term that'll specifically target certain regions of the world, target a certain base and what they're looking for. The other side of the B2C platform, which is very exciting for the business, is essentially licensing, white labeling, sub-licensing, whatever you want to call it, to other online casino partners. Companies that are looking for an online casino platform are already coming to us because of what we're offering. From our perspective, it's a great source of revenue and it can also be seen as almost a passive revenue. There is an upfront cost for them to come on board, which is a sizable chunk. And out of that, we build a new front end and incorporate all of the content, payment providers and everything that's required. And then every time a bet or a transaction or a payment goes through the system, we take a clip of the ticket. So it's a really good way to generate short-term income on top of what we're doing directly with our own B2C platform and our own B2C brands.
It seems to me that you've got 3 or 4 quality products at the moment that are all live and generating revenue across the board. So I guess that comes back to the point where you're looking to raise a little bit of money just to, kind of scale the marketing and scale the business going forward from here. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. From a casino perspective, once you've built the technology, it's all really a marketing exercise. It's working with affiliates, working with other marketing channels that will drive traffic to your site, and traffic is revenue. So obviously we need the investment now to help us support that shift and move and find the right affiliate partners, find the right marketing channels, utilizing the latest technology that we can get our hands on to ensure we stay ahead of our competitors.
Scott, that sounds fantastic. I guess to wrap up, just like to ask, what does set GlobalOdds apart from other industry players?
Look, I think it's really around our team. We've assembled a team of industry experts with experience across the online casino, wagering and the broader racing industry. Between myself and Luke Howard, one of the co-founders of the business, and the rest of our executive team, we've got almost 100 years of experience between us. So we know how to run a good casino operation. At a platform level, we've got some unique features that I think will set us apart from our competitors, in particular in the Southeast Asian market. And that's the ability to offer multi-currency. You don't just have to use one currency per platform, which is very common among the industry. And we're also able to run multiple front ends off the one back office, which from an operational perspective makes it a lot easier to target your customers, set up your campaigns and analyze your data, which is critical to a successful operation.
Scott, thanks so much for joining us today.
My pleasure, Michael.
To learn more about GlobalOdds and the investment opportunity, please reach out to us.